In this video, we are going to review how to use Acrobat Reader as a presentation tool. In other words, you will learn how to present a PDF file like it is a PowerPoint presentation. You have to have Acrobat Reader installed in your computer. If you do not have it, download it from Adobe's official website and install it following the installation wizard. Now open Adobe Reader. This is the home screen of Adobe Reader. From here, you will be able to open the PDF. Click on My Computer, click on Browse. Navigate to the file location. In my case, the file is located in the Downloads folder. Select the PDF file you want to open, then click on the Open button. To start full screen mode or presentation, click on View, and then click on Full Screen Mode. You can see that the PDF is in full screen mode. Using the keyboard arrows, you can move between slides. To exit full screen mode, press Escape on your keyboard.